Good afternoon. I am Rajesh Kumar. Actually, I am working in Gale India Limited. I was staying in the rented house for last 15 years in the Vasant Kunj, and we are looking for last 15 years to search the house. So finally, we find this house, and Fenesta is that for the UPVC. When you think UPVC, the name Fenesta comes. So we never give another thoughts. We just go to the Fenesta. We search from that internet and find that your showroom is nearby our house, and that all that people are very nice and very cooperative. And just we have with my wife, and we went there and we have given the order. And initially we have given for the UPVC, but finally we have given that aluminum window. But it looks very sleek, and finally they install in the time. Everything was very fine, and small problem there, immediately they have solved that. And my experience is very nice, and that window is very smooth and very user friendly. Thank you.